In this video, we're going to see how to replace both blank values inside a table in an Excel file. So we're going to follow three simple steps. Number one is to have a look at the data and understand the data. Number two is to look at a few shortcuts that are helpful. And finally, to apply these shortcuts in a quick lab. The files that you need to work on are downloadable from the description section. I have attached both the presentation that you see in this video and the Excel file for you to exercise on. Starting with the data, in some cases, you might find yourself in the need to replicate the values across multiple rows based on the one of the records that are there in your data. Let's take this table, for example. I have product categories that are highlighted in different colors, and I would want to replicate that category across the records of the same color. So you have soup, meat, bakery, dairy, and other categories to replicate. So that I mean every category has the total sales for a corresponding given year. So starting with one of the features that are there in Excel, once you have a table defined inside your Excel sheet, you can go ahead and select it. So in step number one, to do this exercise is to highlight the table that we are operating on. And this is something you can do by simply selecting it and to ensure that it's highlighted, to ensure that you are operating in the correct table. Once the table is selected, we're going to go ahead and press F5 to open the go-to window. The go-to window is a gateway. It will give me access to additional features that are there inside Excel. So ensure that your desired table is selected, and let's go ahead and click on Special button. Once that is done, the pop-up window will change to give you a variety of options that you can select from. In this exercise, we are interested in blanks. So we're going to go ahead, select the blanks, and then click OK. Once you do that, all the blank cells inside your given table or your selected table are highlighted for you. And the first blank value is captioned so that you can write your formula in. In this case, what we are going to do over here is just to say that this cell is equal to A2, which is soup in our exercise. Once you do that, just before doing anything, ensure that the control button is selected so that you keep your blank cells captioned, highlighted, and then go ahead and click enter. So control plus enter. If you do that, you'll see all the results replicated across all the blank cells. So let's go ahead and try this ourselves. So this is our data. We would want to replicate this across all the blue records, as you can see over. So to do it one shot, first of all, you need to select the table that you are operating on. So in our case, this is the table. So I'll go ahead and select table sales 3. And then I'm going to press on my keyboard F5. Upon pressing F5 and ensuring that table 3 is selected, go ahead and proceed into special. Ensure that the blanks are selected, click OK, and notice how all the blank records are highlighted in your data. And this first blank cell is set to caption. So go ahead and click equal and select the value on top. So is equal to A2. Finally, just to ensure that these blank cells are highlighted and my formula is applied on, I'm going to go ahead and press Control and then Enter. And there you go. Your data gets updated across all the blank cells. Try it yourselves and let me know your feedback in the comments section. Peace.